We're in the house pumping again, guys. Mrs. Pumper around here. That means I'm Mr. Pumper. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Guys, let me tell you something. Right now, I'm going on the road to buy a Red Bull or two. Need some Red Bulls.
I need 5.
You need 5. Guys, I'm gonna say something and I don't want you guys to be sensitive about it. I'm just making a joke.
If you have to say that, maybe you shouldn't make the joke.
Yeah, that's true though. If I have to say that, I shouldn't make the joke because people too sensitive these days. People don't have a sense of humor. But anyway, all of you mothers who go back to back, I don't want no advice from you guys because you know have to be mad people. You guys have to be crazy. Guys, this is ridiculous.
2 under 2.
2 under 2. This is ridiculous. Why? All of you mothers who was telling Alicia about this back to back, just go 2 and finish. Just
So
go
what
2.
about your mom? What about your mom?
My mom?
had all of you guys 2 years apart. And she had 6.
She mad too.
She had 6.
My mother must mad too. She got 6. But guys, let me tell you something. To have 2 babies pretty much, and all the mothers who have twins, you had no choice.
Or
I understand.
ones that are doing it on
I understand.
their own.
And moms that doing it on their own. Trust me. I need Red Bull. I need Red Bull. Guys, 2 a.m. in the morning, Amik wake up and cry. Wake up the baby. So the two baby awake in the room at 3 a.m.
But
in the
one that's
morning.
not crying though.
One not cry, but 2 of them up. So you have to pay 2 of them attention. You may sweat, place hot. But yeah guys, and then when you go supermarket, you have to buy diaper for 2 different.
Well, that's why you should take the potty training serious. Make him go to the bathroom with you anytime you go.
When this man go bathroom, this man don't want nothing.
If we can't give up like that though.
When this man go bathroom, all he want to do, guys, just want to watch and say, oh, that's all your pee-pee in the pee-pee.
If you don't
In the
want
pee-pee
to
hole.
2 diapers, the best
And then guys, will watch me use the bathroom. Then he will flush it when I'm done. But then don't want to do potty training.
we can't give up though. We need to keep it up.
You know,
We can't give up.
take us for his help. With help out, eh?
The way Selena Gatorade will not spread right now. I need to
But-
need some electrolytes in my system.
Yeah guys, we are beat, we're tired. I'm not nearly as tired as Alicia, but I'm tired. Been up since 3 o'clock. My eye don't shut from 3 o'clock. And it's 10 o'clock now in the morning. I'm tired. Woke up, did some stuff outside and man, this is tough, man. This is tough.
Stop doing that. Stop. That was mine.
Sexy man. I'm making her tights like him run. I done him swimming lesson, you know. Hey buddy. I broke your back, you know.
I'm sorry. I know. Who's coming to do your legs today?
Aaron.
Who's that?
Same guy,
The needle guy?
always coming, yeah.
They still have the incident, man.
Brother, to my workout, man. My leg, brother, my body feel broken, boss. Like, me can't sprint, me can't do no sprinting or nothing. You see?
I don't want to look at my feet. You want time for needles in my feet.
So you get your footwork on.
Yeah. 'Cause anytime I asked you to do it for me, you were stressing me out.
Yeah, man, we're flying away from Europe, deal like this.
Yeah.
Wait.
It was We're stressing stuff out.
The chiropractor say you can start come see him now because him say your pelvis will go out and your back. So if you start
Everything's out. I feel pain.
everything out.
My legs, everything. My knees, my quads, my knee especially. I don't know. I have these knee pain.
So him that use the machine a while ago, you feel it?
Yeah.
Hot.
You have to keep reminding me that.
I make you chill.
You have to keep reminding me that I'm the baby.
Is that tight?
Yeah.
Brevis.
What's this right here that always hurts me?
IT band.
Yeah.
And your brevis connected.
Ooh, there's something.
So guys, I definitely had to get a Red Bull this morning because night shift was wicked. The Gator, yeah, I bought 2 blue Gatorades. You think never forget?
Can I have it?
Eh? You know cool it, I put it in the freezer. So guys, I have a funny picture of when I was doing night shift. Mash up.
Right, last night.
Yeah. Remember the picture I took, man?
Which picture? Let me see it.
Remember the picture here? Say, yo,
I only seen a glimpse.
I'll show you. Amico, what you do? You a physio boss? Are you a physiotherapist?
Say yes.
Because you found the spot.
Where back I'm sure it say? Long live what?
Long live long words.
Long live long board.
Alright, see there.
Where the long live man board?
That word out
Oh gosh, Leishy. Yeah, you get a look at one road flex today.
I did.
Mm-mm.
And it was nice because we didn't. Jimmy was the one struggling with it.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we took Amik on the road today and we left him up to Jimmy. And Jimmy was struggling.
No, like, right.
What am I saying? Happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I know what birthday is. Birthday is so far.
I don't know why he's starting to say happy birthday to you now.
Birthday is so far.
I mean, you know your birthday's coming up.
Yeah,
Let's say happy birthday.
Yeah, I'm gonna be 2 and I'm gonna be 30. Yeah, I'm 30 now.
You're saying 30?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to 30 a long time, brother.
Why are you just aging people today? Huh? Stop. No.
Yeah, man, that's what I know.
Are you sure?
Positive. 100% sure.
I need to go.
I'm moving mouth.
When your husband live on serious baby duties, and then you have to fly in the medical.
Right, because his hands were suffering. What did you say about doing my feet?
Hmm?
He said stress you out.
Yeah, man. What's your sort, man? Why are you on the thing? You doing head, shoulders, knees, and toes? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. I mean, where go there, brother Raka? Hmm? It would be fun if you see it. If I'm going right, I gotta go right down.
Yeah.
Let me see it looking like. Let me see it looking like. I mean, you gotta break that, you gotta break this thing, you know. I mean, you gotta break this thing. You can't touch the ground, you know. The man make the thing I touch the ground. Yo, you're too big for this, yeah? I think it's a break, bro. Guys, I'm wondering if it's really going to break. Look, lean back. Lean back. You can't hold of that, man. Give up. Give up, buddy. Alright, man, I'll leave you alone. Make you go enjoy yourself. Let me leave you alone. Let you enjoy yourself. Where I was thumping it now. Let me see what's going to happen. Amik, you going to break it? Yo, this thing must be strong. So Amik is cleaning now, guys. I think they're clean, buddy. I think they're clean now. Don't put that. When Amik born, the place is cool. But now the place hot. The place is very hot. But I mean I do take him out like once in a blue moon.
Once?
Maybe twice. Maybe twice. Remember we came out there when he had a pump? And before that I took him out the day before or so. I always take him out. I carry him out in the mornings when I come watch me work out.
That's like 2 seconds.
Him no need no more than that outside. The mosquito, guys, the mosquito them outside will suck you dry. This baby now have so much blood in him body if the mosquitoes suck out.
Yeah, mosquitoes are rough.
Yeah. So him don't need to be outside a lot. Amik outside right now.
And even I wanted you to look at Amik's foot. We're running off. We're leaving the kids.
Which far where I go? Airport?
Yeah, our honeymoon. Guys,
I'm on
our
a honeymoon now.
our friends. Am I holding it right?
I'm on a honeymoon.
Our friends recently got married, like what, a week ago or 2? We're going on 2 weeks.
One
week
because a week good.
Because yeah.
Good.
So after I had the baby, they got married a few days after. So, and they're on their honeymoon. They're in the Maldives, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I've been there for work, and it's breathtaking, so romantic. And
you need to go get your kids. That's all you need to do.
and
So,
Saf and I still haven't gone on our honeymoon. So he was laughing at their pictures, saying, "I'm gonna start pressuring him."
I post all of them for pretty picture, you guys. One bag of pretty picture, you know.
So when do you think we can go on our honeymoon?
Yeah, listen, man. I don't know when we can go on honeymoon.
What?
I don't know when. I'm not thinking about honeymoon. That's a thing about diapers and baby feeding and for school feeding.
So
and something. That's
so this means that it looks like the honeymoon will not happen. That's what this is sounding like.
When the kids gone as college.
What?
When the kids gone to college.
And you see?
So we have to leave the kids with for honeymoon.
You see, I remember being like, you know what, we can't go right now because track season. I should have made
babe,
sure.
there was no way we could have
made
gone on honeymoon. We couldn't go. It was impossible to go on honeymoon.
Why? Because I was pregnant.
Yeah, you're pregnant, have a young baby, and you are gonna leave your baby and go on honeymoon.
Last year was the time to go.
With COVID.
No, I'm saying last year. I think we were saying we would go then, but then COVID happened. Anyway, so when the kids are in college, I guess we'll go.
No, not so long. When the kids have sense, they have a little more sense, and
But
you know.
I don't know how to hold the camera this way, you know. That's how you're taking it away from me. Oh gosh, guys, make sure you guys follow and subscribe to Mad Squad Gang. Gang. They're really some mad people.
Mad Squad. Yeah, guys, that's a car channel, and Alicia is going to start working on the cars soon.
I just want to drive. I want to learn how to drive the fast cars and be all like Fast and Furious and whatnot.
Man, no.
Why
no,
is it?
you
Have
want,
I?
You
Hold
want
on.
to learn to drive the fast cars. I want to drive my fast cars again.
Wait, 2 seconds though. Have I literally been indoors for that long that everywhere has walls now?
Yeah, everywhere build up. That's why you're in a rush to come out and follow me go up on the road, man.
When did this go up?
That's
Guys.
why you're in a rush to come up on the road with me.
Wow. Everywhere's just looking different.
You don't see nothing yet. This is some other wall
That's
place.
crazy.
Some other wall place.
But-
You're a prisoner.
Yeah, definitely. I'm indoors.
Yeah. When I'm going back on the road, I don't want you with me again. No.
Why?
Just stay home with the kids, you know what I mean? Oh gosh, it's a good thing we leave Amik in the high seat, guys.
High chair.
In the high chair. So you know that we're not going very far. It's going to be a very quick trip. Because grandma got the baby.
So baby.
The baby. And then
Baby's
And
name.
then the baby is
The
in
big
the high chair,
baby.
the big baby now.
The baby's name will come out when we do christening.
One is baby and one is baby.
Baby A and Amik.
Baby A and baby A.
Baby A and baby Amik. Amik.
Baby.
So Amik is singing happy birthday to you now. I think he knows his birthday is coming up. So that's why.
Alright, no traffic not really there.
What traffic are you talking about?
No, man, I said no traffic not there, but it does feel like a lot of traffic on the road.
Wait,
Babe, you don't drive at daytime, you know, so you don't get tired from driving.
what traffic?
No, me turn around, me cut out the traffic around there, so.
Oh.
You just don't listen. You don't listen. You have to know if you cut out the traffic and go on the traffic.
He's saying I don't do what? Drive in
You
the
don't
day?
drive, so you won't understand
Because
why
I'm
I
at
don't
home.
like being
I
on
am
the road.
at home with the kids.
No, but even if you drive, because I remember when I make you drive to Montego Bay, you never want it again.
No, that's not true.
You say you're not going to do it again. You say you never
No.
know, so it hard.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't say I wouldn't do it again. Anytime we drive, I'm always like, let me drive half of the way, or I drive back and you drive down or whatever. But I said it was brutal doing the driving back there and back. That was brutal.
So that's why. So now you understand why I'm not always excited to make them to go on those weekend trips.
Of course, I understand.
There you go.
My hand hurts now.
And hurt.
So
Alright, so just tell the guys bye. Tell them bye and
my hand's hurting, and I don't think I'm doing a good job holding this camera.
tell them bye and
properly.
see them.
So make sure you like our videos, subscribe, and we will see you soon.